Guys, it's 10 to be, and I'm in Boston, Massachusetts, and right behind me it's the Boston Library. And come on with me and I'll give you a tour of the city. It's a nice day, and I'll just walk around and show you around what Boston is like. Boston is one of the oldest cities in the United States, and it is also known as the largest in New England. Downtown Boston, where I am, are surrounded mostly with low-rise buildings, as you can see, and they are mostly brick or stone buildings. However, within these areas, you will find mixed-rise buildings that are more modern, mostly within the financial district and the Boston Public Library also.
Nice outfit.
Oh yeah, thank you.
A lot of stuff here, you know, like y'all doing.
Here is one side of the Boston Library, the side entrance. And guys, I'm going shopping in a few minutes at the Prudential Center, and it's just right down the road. Two of New England largest buildings are John Hancock Tower and also the Prudential Center. Along these areas, you will find high-end stores and restaurants. If you decided to visit Boston, make sure to check out these areas like the Copley Place, which is on Hutchinson Avenue, Downtown Crossing, Winter Street, Washington Street, which is one of the Boston's most bustling shopping district. Much of these areas are only accessible to pedestrians, which allows a more relaxing shopping and also good experience where you can have a quick meal, food options such as food courts, and in the corner malls, sandwiches, bar, and even sit on the sidewalk. Outdoor restaurants are also there, and have a meal with your friends and family. And guys, I'm going to the Prudential Center. This is one of the high-end shopping malls. So come with me. Marketplace is loaded with many fine restaurants where you can sit, have a long walk, and enjoy one of many fine restaurants while being entertained with music and from some of these local entertainers. Again, as I walk along, you see many other areas, and I'm going to take some time to get through all these areas. So I want you to come along, join me, and have a good time.